wipe this little camera off for you. Alright, there we go. We crispy clean. Know what I'm saying? We about to get into it.
I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS7Ride254. Nigga, tune in for another one. Finna attempt to band clamp this shit up this morning. As y'all seen from the last video or the video before that. Chevy is Chevy flywheel. I don't know if it's cracked. I don't think it's cracked. I just think it was the Loctite wasn't on the bolts and need to be torqued down. So initially I was like, oh well, I'll just put it in the fucking driveway, put it up on the joints, you know what I'm saying, and see if I could check for any play on them bolts that go to the actual torque converter. I wasn't able to find any play, so I'm pretty sure that it's the bolts that hold the flywheel to the crank. So with that said, everything got to come out. Even if everything don't got to come out, I'm probably gonna pull everything out, or in preparation to pull everything out, I'm gonna do it like that. I was actually thinking that maybe, just maybe, I could just unbolt the joint. You know what I'm saying? Unbolt the transmission, slide that bitch back. That could be one way, but then again, I was like, you know, fuck that. And how about I just pull the whole shit out? You know what I'm saying? I pull the whole joint out, slide that bitch back in there, and go from there. So, in order to do that, shit, I'm out here this morning before I gotta go to work. Finna tinker around with this fucking truck. As y'all know, this shit, in order for me to, if I'm gonna pull that shit, I'm putting my shit back in the garage. So this one needs to move out. So being that this one is like damn near to the finish line, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it'll move when we crank it. The flywheel's not doing the stanky leg. So like I said, the last couple things that gotta be done, I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock them out this morning and see exactly what is done. So picked up those band clamps, showed y'all in the other video. Just gonna try like one side at a time. And do it that way. So put it on there and kind of see what it, maybe we can see what that Super 10 sound like. Honestly, hindsight, I think that Super 10 gonna be super fucking loud, too fucking loud. And yeah, because the way that this sounds without any muffler at all, with just the headers, like it's nowhere as loud as the Caprice was. Got nothing. Yeah, so I gotta charge that up. In the meantime, I get that band clamped up, and then I'll let y'all hear. Y'all know what it sounds like. If y'all don't know what it sounds like, go check out one of the other videos, and then you can come back and watch this one after we get this band up. So let's go. So out the box, got the band clamped. This is a lot. This is a lot of fucking extra ass packaging. Like, y'all could have saved on that shit. Like, I think I probably paid more. I probably paid more for the box than I did for the actual fucking band clamp. Like, tell me, I was finna say, tell me they couldn't have put both of them in the same box, but that might have been bullshit. But they probably could have overlapped them joints. I'm just saying. So we got the battery tender. Got that hooked up to the Optima. This battery is a problem battery. We're gonna have to get another battery. This battery is actually the one that came out of the Tahoe before we swapped it. Cause we had actually bought a brand new battery for the truck, but when I sold the truck, I didn't want to sell it with that faulty ass battery. Wanted to make sure that the buyer was good, so I gave them my new battery and I kept this one. My next battery I get, probably not gonna be a red top. It's gonna be a regular ass brand new battery because I'm not running no car audio or nothing in this bitch. That one has a red top, but the condition of that battery I want to say is better than this battery. So I pulled the little collector clamp thing and I brought it up here. Being that it's already, you know, I can do it out here versus up under the car. So we're gonna get this tightened up and we'll be right back. So I got both of them done up. You know what I'm saying? Band clamped up, real simple, real easy peasy. Especially with this truck because it's going straight back. So all I gotta do is run that shit back. So gonna get that on there and then put our muffler on there and see where we're gonna lay. It was one thing that I noticed that the guy brought up to me at the shop when I got my exhaust done. I did want to get the MagnaFlow for the Caprice, but because he didn't have like the right offset muffler, then we weren't able to do it. So that's why we just put a Flowmaster on there. With this truck, because it's kind of just empty back there, it shouldn't be an option. It's really just straight back, like no bullshit. So we're gonna get this bolted up and we'll be right back. So what I did, I put on my surgery gloves. I bought them. I don't know if I fucking use them. Bought a whole box of fucking Harbor Freight. So I say, so let's use these bitches today. So make cleanup of your hands easy and shit. Actually, the job today ain't even really that deep. It's right, not even really that intensive. But slide up under here. Let me show you what we're working with. So, as you can maybe see, the clamp is there. We got that, it's running all the way back. There's like a factory holder right here. You probably can't see that. Low light capability sucks on the GoPro, but you know, get what you pay for. And then sometimes you don't. So anyway, the muffler right here at the end, you can see it says inlets. Just gonna boom, slide it on the end of there. And that basically brings us to about right here. Like the end of the muffler is right here on the truck. So, you know, it's boom. It's past the truck bed. It's past the cab. Not by much. Probably gonna end up bringing it out a little bit more. I did measure on here what I wanted it to be. Probably about like an arm's length longer, give or take. Don't have to be precise. And then that way I can cut a couple of these. I'll just mark it off with some thread tape. Ghetto! But it's effective. Mark it off with some thread tape. So I'll come back with the power tools. Yes, I can put them hoes to use. So I'll come back with a reciprocating saw or the circular saw, whichever one gonna work better. Probably the reciprocating. I'll come back. I'll cut one for each side. I'll basically cut this length 2 times, and then that'll take it back towards about the like right before the rear axle, and then boom, and I like swimwear. So that's about all I got time for today because I gotta go to work. So y'all be cool, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy, Ride 254. Identify your weaknesses, making your strengths. Like this battery that's dead. Charge up. Gone.